Oh, hey there! Here is our barista, and he will show you how to clean your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Infinissima Touch machine, a routine that should be performed once a month. First, make sure your machine is switched off and unplugged. Remove the water tank. Rinse and clean it with drinking water. Then refill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Now it's time to remove the drip tray. Separate the grid from the tray. Clean the tray with fresh drinking water and a damp sponge cloth. Do the same with the grid. Insert the drip tray back in. Lift the locking handle and remove the capsule holder. Rinse it with drinking water or pop it in the dishwasher. Now it's time to rinse your Infinissima Touch machine. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the rinsing process. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can still rinse your Infinissima Touch machine. Close the locking handle. Use an empty container to collect the water. It's time to plug in your Infinissima Touch machine and switch it on. Then adjust the size to the 7th bar and push the lever to the hot position. And voila! Your Infinissima Touch machine will start rinsing. Only when the machine stops automatically, empty the container. Next, lift the locking handle. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Reinsert the capsule holder and lock. Make sure your machine is switched off and unplugged. Then use a soft cloth to make your machine super clean. Oh, you're waiting for him? Man, we're finished! It's done! Go, enjoy, have fun! Most importantly, have a coffee shop kind of coffee at home. If you've watched this video till the end, you've earned it!